Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Manogar here, and in the part 1 of this training tutorial series, how to succeed with solo ads, we saw what are solo ads and what are the advantages of solo ads, and at the same time what are the disadvantages of solo ads. And in conclusion, I said that the solo ads are not the best traffic out there available, but if you go for the paid ads, then it requires a steep learning curve, and at the same time it requires a huge lump sum of investment and to scale your campaigns, and at the same time to remain profitable in your campaigns. When it comes to solo ads, it is the easiest and the fastest way to build your email list. But what really matters is how is your email marketing setup. Once your subscribers opt into your squeeze page, how they are going to be turned from prospects into buyers, that really matters. Remember, the money is in the list, but the real money is in the buyer's email list. So in this part 2 of this training tutorial series, I'm going to show you the complete email marketing setup that I'm using in my business and how to approach our email marketing business in a holistic manner. And if you stay tuned till the end, I'm going to show you the advanced strategies and advanced segmentations that I use where no one else discusses. So if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below and also hit the bell notification in order to get the very first notice whenever I upload my videos. Alright guys, if you can see my screen over here, you can see the entire process flow in my email marketing business. So if you can see this, it's the ABCD. Now what are these ABCD? ABCD are the solo ad vendors from whom you're going to purchase the solo ads clicks. So once you purchase the solo ads clicks, they're directed directly to your squeeze page, which is nothing but the opt-in page. So if you're not familiar with what are solo ads, then you can always refer to the part 1 of this training series. I have left a link in the description box below, so you can always check that. Once the solo ads traffic is directed to your squeeze page, the main objective of the squeeze page is to collect the information about your traffic. So what are the information that you're going to collect? Now, the main information that we're going to collect is the email address. So why do we need email address in first case? Because when it comes to people buying products online, they are not going to purchase it at the very first instance. Most of the online buyers are not going to buy at the very first instance. So in order to follow up with them and make them purchase from you, you need to collect the email address for a systematic follow-up with them. So that's why the squeeze page comes into place, where you can collect the contact information like the name, email address, and if required phone numbers and direct mail address and so on. So what exactly happens when the solo ads traffic comes into your squeeze page? First, they opt in with their email address. So once they opt in with their email address, two things happen. Number one, they're added to your email marketing campaigns, which is the email autoresponder, whether it might be AWeber or Getresponse. And the second thing is that they are directed to the sales offer page. And if not, they are directed through bridge page first, where they are pre-sold with the sales offer first, and then from the bridge page, they are taken to the sales offer page. Now, when it comes to the email marketing campaigns, there are two parts in it. One is the email automation and the other one is the email broadcast. So both email broadcast and email automation are to be turned on when your subscribers are added to your list. Now, the one that is going to bring you sales is the email broadcast. So why the email automation is not going to bring the sales? It's just because email automation is just to familiarize your name, put out your name in front of your subscribers and branding your name. So that's what email automation is about. But email broadcast is the one which is going to bring you day in, day out sales. So what are we going to do with email automation and email broadcast? Yes, with email broadcast and email automation, we are going to direct them back to the original sales offer, which we are promoting at the front end. Or if you want to, we can promote other offers to the subscribers. And how to decide and when to decide which offers to promote. And all these I'm going to discuss what statistics to be looked at and what data points to be looked at in selecting which offers to promote and when to stop the promotion of a certain offer. And I'm going to discuss in the upcoming training series. What happens after the subscribers have reached the sales offer page and decided to buy the product? Now here's the real magic happens. So once they've decided to buy your product from the sales offer page, they are moved into a different segment called the buyer's email list. Now, you might be thinking how this can happen. Yes, it can happen. So for this, we have a third-party tracking tool called Optin Dojo where it does the work and it can achieve a lot. And I would request you to check the affiliate link in the description box below in order to get this third-party tracking software. Now, this comes at a price of 37 bucks per month and it really accomplishes a lot for us. Now, this tool really helps us to build our buyers list even though we are an affiliate of this product, only trying to promote them. Now, why is this so important? Remember guys, when it comes to making money online, there are so many platforms like ClickBank, Digistore, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Explodely, where the different product creators launch their products over there and attract an army of affiliates to promote their products. Now, what do you think the main reason behind these product launches of these product creators is? Just not to remain profitable and sell their courses, but the real reason behind this is to build their massive buyers email list. Now, why do they need buyers email list? Yes, because these buyers have really trusted you. You have built the no like trust factor with these people, and whenever you try to promote a different product with them, they are really going to buy from you. Remember guys, the money is in the list, but the real money is in the buyer's email list. That's why these product creators have spent thousands of dollars on their funnel designs and the copywriting just to accumulate this buyer's email list. So with that, imagine that you're going to launch a product and you're spending almost like $10,000 in designing your funnels, copywriting, and also designing the training course in your members area. Instead of doing that to build your buyer's email list, let's have the best of both worlds. You not only can promote the product that you have launched. As an affiliate marketer, you can promote any products available out there online. Might be hundreds of millions of dollars of chartered plane right to the bottom to a $7 digital product. There are affiliate programs available out there for almost every product, and you can sign up for them and promote n number of products as an affiliate. So if you're someone who doesn't want to launch a product online and you want to remain as an affiliate marketer, then the problem comes now. If you get some kind of affiliate commissions or sales, the product creator or the product owner is not going to share you the buyer's email list or the one who has purchased from your email list. Why? Because they have spent thousands of dollars on copywriting, funnel designs, and launching their own members area. And why should they share their buyer's email address with you? It's not their responsibility. What should we do as an affiliate marketer here? We only get the sales, but not the buyer's email list. So by now, we all know that the real money is in the buyer's email list. And it's not the responsibility of the product creators to share the buyer's email list with you, even though the sale has come from your own email list. So now here's the solution for that. So in order to siphon out the buyer's email list, then we need to have a third-party tracking tool called Optin Dojo. Now you can check out the link in the description box below, which is my affiliate link. Now this Optin Dojo tool is going to do the job for you, where it is going to siphon out the buyer's email list into a separate list. Now how it is going to do? The Optin Dojo tool is integrated with your ESPs like AWeber and Getresponse, where it will ask the ESPs to move out the buyer's email address from one list to another list. And from there, you can build your buyer's email list and you can send them more valuable offers. Now, this is how it is going to segment into a separate list called buyer's list C. Now, this is the advanced segmentation technique that I'm going to discuss over here. So whenever the subscribers buy from your list, they are moved into a list called buyers C. Now, the buyers C list predominantly comprises of the subscribers who have bought your low ticket products. Now, what do you mean by low ticket products? Low ticket offers are nothing but anything less than 20 bucks, maybe $7 product or a $17 product. And you get maybe 50% commission or even 100% commission at the front end. Now, this will build the buyers list C who have bought your low ticket offers. Now what to do next? Now you have to promote mid ticket offers to the buyers list C. So what do you mean by mid ticket offers? Any offers that is more than $20 and hundreds of dollars, 100, 200, 300, 500, 600, anything less than $1,000 is going to be a mid ticket offers. And when your subscribers or the buyers list C buys any mid ticket offers, then they are moved into buyers list B. So this will be automatically done by the ESPs on the command from Optin Dojo. This is where Optin Dojo comes into play and performs the job of moving the subscribers from buyers list C to buyers list B. And now what to do with the buyers list B? Now here in the buyers list B, where we are going to promote the high ticket offers, anything above $1,000. We are going to promote any high ticket offers of $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, $10,000, even $15,000, $20,000 of product. We are going to promote that to our buyers list B and eventually build your buyers list A, where they are going to be promoted with only high ticket offers and not a low ticket offer of $7 product. Because if you really think about quitting your 9 to 5 job and earning a passive income lifestyle, then you really need to send only high ticket offers to your buyers list A, because if you're trying to send them again to a $7 or $17 product, it's not going to give you great commissions and it's not going to build your laptop lifestyle, or it's not going to help you in quitting your 9 to 5 job. So that's why you always need to promote only high ticket offers to your buyers list A. So now you might get a question. Now, if someone has purchased a high ticket program from you, will they ever purchase a high ticket program again? The simple answer is yes. Now, why is it? Because there are many high ticket buyers out there on the online market where they are suffering from shiny object syndrome, where they always hop on from one high ticket program to another high ticket program in search of results. Now, there are some mentors out there who doesn't care about the result of their students, and all they want is that the coaching fee. And once they have enrolled into the course, they're just shown the modules area and then they have to try it on their own. There is no customer support available. So there are many coaches like this, and only 1 in 1,000 is a good coach or a mentor who really cares about your result. This is the number one reason. And number two is the rogue coaches or the mentors. So whenever you are trying to promote a high ticket program to your buyers list A, always buy that program and try to get some kind of results before promoting to your audience. Check whether there are student testimonials and the customer support, which is very important once they buy the program. And if the response of the customer support is within 24 hours or within hours or within minutes, because that's all is important. Because I have suffered from the customer support even when I bought a high ticket program a couple of years ago, where there was no customer support after buying the course. And I took like days, even weeks to get a email reply. That's how there are some mentors who doesn't care about your result, but they are interested only in your course fee. I always suggest you to go for a mentor who really cares about your result and really interested in you achieving the result you want. So this is how the entire email marketing setup looks like. You can see the entire process flow of this email marketing business as a whole. And these are some of the advanced strategies. There are still some advanced strategies and techniques that can be used in order to build multiple sources of income using the same email list. You can learn all these strategies. So stay tuned for the next part of this tutorial series. So I think you might have got the entire idea of how this email marketing business looks like from a bird's eye point of view. So with that being said, let's meet in the next part of this training series. Until then, bye.